All right, guys. So today I'm just going to teach you real quickly how to graph quadratic equations. Now that's misleading because we're not actually going to graph them. Just know that your graphs are going to look like this. When you do graph a quadratic equation, notice that it passes the x-axis twice. That means, and notice here you have it passes once, and notice here it passes through the x-axis none. Okay, so there's an easy way to do that without having to graph, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. To figure out where it crosses the x-axis. And you're going to have three options. It's going to pass twice, excuse me, it's going to pass once, or it's not going to pass at all. So here we have a quadratic equation. All I'm going to do is factor it, and factor it like we have been for a month. So that means I'm going to take -8, and I'm going to take the factors of -8 that equal, when added together, equal -2. And I know -4 and 2 equal -2, and they also equal -8 when multiplied. Now, split your quadratic equation in two parts. X squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Okay, relatively simple. Now we are going to factor two sides. So if you look, I'm going to now factor out an x. So that would leave me x minus 4. And I'm going to factor out a 2 on the other side. 2, and that would leave me x minus 4. I know I did it right because I have the x minus 4. Now, put them into two separate binomials. X plus 2 and x minus 4. So up to now, all of this you've done before. You've actually done this before too. Now you're going to solve. And all you're doing is solving where it passes the x. And to do that, take each one of these and set them equal to 0. X plus 2 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X equals -2. X equals 4. That means that this parabola crosses at -2 and 4. That means it looks like this top one somewhat. We don't know if it's up or down. Who cares? We just know that it crosses at those 2 points on the x-axis. That's all I'm asking you to do today. So there is no graphing involved.